Hi students. So as I told you in your last class, I am going to teach you how to solve problems on radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm. Okay, so this is the question that we are having. Find out DFT of sequence x of n is equal to 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, using radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm. Okay, so in this solution, step 1, analysis of input. That means what they have given, x of n is equal to 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, so next in step 2, you have to write down the equation what we have to find, whether we have to find DFT equation or whether we have to find IDFT. So in this question we have to find out DFT. So equation for DFT, x of k is equal to summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n omega n power nk. Okay, and here we have to write in step 1, sorry I forgot to tell you, length of x of n is equal to capital N, that equal to 8. Okay, so next step 3, we have to find twiddle factors. Okay, we have to find twiddle factors. So we have omega 8 power 0, omega 8 power 1, omega 8 power 2, omega 8 power 3. So omega 8 power 0 is equal to power minus j 2 pi by 8 whole power 0, which is 1. Omega 8 power 1 equal to e power minus j 2 pi by 8 whole power 1, that equal to cos pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4. You can directly get value from calculator. Okay, the values I am directly writing from calculator, that is 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay, so like that, omega 8 square is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by 8 whole square. Okay, 2 2's 4, that is e power minus j pi by 2. It will be minus j. Omega 8 cube is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by 8 whole cube, that equal to cos 3 pi by 4 minus j sin 3 pi by 4. So the value will be minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay, this is step 3. So in step 4, what we have to do means, this is the main step. So in this step 4, first we have to draw our DIT FFT butterfly structure. So this radix to DIT FFT butterfly structure we have discussed in previous class, or else link for this video is in description box, or else it is provided in cards also. Okay, you can go and you can verify there if you have any doubts. Okay, so now take another color, that means black ink or any pencil, substitute values. First omega 8 power 0 is 1. Okay, and x of 0 from here we can write, right? So in step 1, if you want to write x of 0 equal to 2, x of 1 equal to 2, x of 2 equal to 2, x of 3 equal to 2, x of 4 equal to 1, x of 5 equal to 1, x of 6 equal to 1, x of 7 equal to 1. If you want to write, if you are not sure that if any confusion point comes to your mind, make sure that you have to write like this. Okay, if you are okay with that, then write like this. So now substitute. X of 0 value is 2, x of 4 value is 1, x of 2 value is 2, and x of 6 value is 1, x of 1 value is 2, x of 5 value is 1, and x of 3 value is, okay, oh, I have written mistake here, x of 5, and this is x of 3, not x of 6. Okay, so this is 2 and this is 1. So now these are the pre-values. Okay, the points just here are the pre-values, just before this stage. For every stage, these points represent pre-values and these points represent post values. So we'll calculate stage by stage. First we are going to calculate pre-values for stage 1. So pre-values will be this point and 2 will directly come here. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So post values, how will we calculate? Here 2 plus 2 will come, 1 will come. Okay, that equal to 3. Here 2 will come here, 1 into minus 1. So 2 minus 1, that equal to 1. Here also 2 plus 1, 3. 2 is coming from here. Okay, so 2 minus 1, 1. Next 2 again. Here 2 is going here, 2 plus 1, this is 3 and this is 2. 1 into minus 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Here also 2 plus 1, 3. Here 2 minus 1, 1. So these are the post values of stage 1. So next, here substitute omega 8 power 0 equal to 1 and omega 8 square is equal to minus j. So now write the pre-values for stage 2. 3, 1, 3 into 1, 3, 1 into minus j. This is minus j. Okay, here also 3, 1, this value is 1, omega 8 square is minus j. This is 3, 1 into minus j, this value is also minus j. So now calculate post values of stage 2 ma. 3 plus 3. Okay, 6. Here 1 minus j. 1 minus j. Okay, so here 3 minus 3, that means into minus 1, so minus 3. So 3 minus 3, that is 0. Here 1 minus j into minus 1 plus j. Same calculation here also. 3 plus 3. We have to write arrow marks because it will be clear from which point, at what points are meeting at single note. It is easy to see. Okay. So 3 plus 3, 6. 1 minus j, this is 3 minus 3, 0, and this is 1 plus j. Okay, so now what we have to do is always make sure the gap should be there between stage 2 and stage 3. Okay, so that we can substitute values. Omega 8 power 0 is 1, omega 8 power 1 value is this one, 0.707 minus j 0.707. This value is minus j. Omega 8 cube value is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay. So now pre-values for stage 3 we have to write. 6 into, if no value is there, treat the gain as 1 here. So these values will come 6, 1 minus j, 0, 1 plus j. And here 6 into 1, 6. 1 minus j into 0.707 minus j 0.707. So here write pre-values calculations. If you don't have space, then do in rough here like this. Okay, so write like this. So 1 minus j into 0.707 minus j 0.707. So the value for this will be, we have to do in calculator. So make sure your calculator should be in complex mode. Okay, and now multiply these two values. So the result for this is minus 1.414i. Okay, so minus 1.414i, and like this we have to calculate 1 plus j into minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay, for this the result will be, okay, that is minus 1.414i. Okay, the same result will come. So these are the pre-values. For this is 6 and this is minus 1.414i and j. Okay, and this is 0 and this is also minus 1.414j. So x of 0 is 6 plus 6, 12. X of 1 is 1 minus j minus 1.414. If you want, you can write like this. X of 1 is equal to 1 minus j minus ante plus minus 1.414j. So this will be 1 minus 2.414j. X of 1 value will be 1 minus 2.414j. And x of 2 value will be 0 because this is also 0 and this is also 0. X of 3 will be, x of 3 equal to, all this is rough work, we have to do in rough work and we have to represent the values alone here. Okay, so 1 plus j 1.414j. So that is 1 minus, this is minus sign is greater value, so 0.414j. X of 3 value will be 1 minus 0.414j. X of 4 will be 6 minus 6, that is 0. X of 5 will be x of 5 will be here. From here the point is coming here from 1 minus j. So 1 minus j, minus of minus will become plus 1.414j. So that equal to 1 plus 0.414j, and x of 6 value is 0 and this value is 0.414j. Okay, x of 7 will be, from here it is coming 1 plus j, 1 plus j, this is plus 1.414j, that is 1 plus 2.414j. Okay, so these are the points. So x of 7 also we have to represent here. Therefore step 5, representation of result. Therefore x of k is equal to, okay, we have to write all the values. X of 0 value is 12. X of 1 is 1 minus 2.414j. X of 2 is 0. X of 3 value is 1 minus 0.414j. X of 4 value again it is 0. X of 5 value is 1 plus 0.414j. 6 is 0. X of 7 value is 1 plus 2.414j. So a blind verification in DFT, in DIT, FFT method, or else for any DFT is if any complex number comes in result, okay, the complex conjugate will also appear in the result. See here, these two are complex conjugates and these two are complex conjugates. Okay, so in this way we'll do problems on DIT, FFT algorithm. So I hope you guys are clear with this one. Okay. So if you have any doubts regarding this algorithm, go to the video that is there in description box and make it clear.